everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, if you saw earlier, I just had a couple of clips of me going to Walmart. I got a huge thing of whey protein for optimal nutrition because I'm gonna get some serious workout done, and I found a couple of tools like this body massager. I've been looking for one for a good minute to buy, and this was on sale at Walmart. Lucky me. So I got actually two of them, if you guys saw earlier, because I'm gonna give my sister one and I'm gonna grab one, and I just wanted to show you guys all the pieces that are in it. Instruction manual, which I almost never read guys, but quick little instruction manual, nothing much to it, so there's not a lot you have to learn. It's just basic of what each head is used for and how to get it all started. I'm so happy this is rechargeable because I didn't want to keep this plug while I'm using it, and this is great because it's going to be portable. When I'm out, I can still take this with me. It's so small. I'm going to be using a power pack to actually charge this to show it to you guys that it's turned on. As you guys can see, it's perfect handle size. I don't have to worry about it, and it comes with a couple of heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heads in total, so pretty cool. And I'm just gonna use this power pack to turn it on to show it to you guys that it turns on. By the way guys, I did plug this and waited about an hour. It doesn't turn green, so I have to read more on the instruction to see how long you should charge it for, but I charged it for an hour and it worked out great for me, and that's my massager. Next guys is the facial hair remover guys, and again I got two of those if you saw earlier in the video clips. One for me, one for my sister, because again they were on sale. They were $7.50. By the way, the massager was $12.50, which is amazing for the prices on both of them. And this is simple. It just comes with the razor, and it comes with a battery, so you don't have to go get a battery right away. Unfortunately, this is not rechargeable, but I'll take that for $7.50. And you just remove that little sticker. Actually, make sure that's off of it, and once you turn it on, you see the little light is on. The sound is not crazy bad at all, but it's great. It's super cute, and it matched my eyebrow one that I already got. So guys, moving on, I wanted to show you guys something that I've been doing for the past couple of weeks. First we're gonna go is put on this honey mask, and this is a great mask right now to use for hydration as well as my skin. You guys saw I had so much breakout. I had some hyperpigmentation going on. This is what I've been doing for the past couple of weeks, is putting on my honey mask. This is great for moisturizing, and it's going to help to heal my skin. And I'm going to put this all over my skin and leave this for about 10-15 minutes and rinse it off, and I'm going to show you guys the rest of the routine that I do. This is what I usually do on the afternoon after I take a shower before I do my nighttime routine. So these are the few little steps guys I will do in the afternoon to clean my face. So after this mask is on, I'm gonna go ahead guys and actually do a little just simple skincare routine. So the first thing I do is I dry my face, of course, with tissue paper, facial tissue. And then after I do that, what I'm going to do is actually put on some toner. Now I want you guys to see the toner I've been using. This is my Bliss toner, because you guys see those hyperpigmentation on my face is because I've had, again, these really bad breakouts. So this Bliss toner has so much benefit to it. What I do is I use my little cotton pads, and I do 2 pumps. Sometimes I do 3, depending on how dry my face is. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually wipe my face with it and just massage it in, but also use it to clean my face again as I'm going with the little cotton tissue paper. Now guys, after I use the Bliss toner, I am going to use my red collagen toner again. I told you guys I use this because I want to extra moisturize my face because it's super dry right now. So I'll go ahead and use about 2 pumps and just put a little bit more moisture on my face. and go ahead and pat that in. And I pat it in till I feel my face has drank up most of it. And then I'm gonna move on to my next step. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my vitamin C serum, because this is great for dealing with the hyperpigmentation on my face. Now I'm using the Nutrum vitamin C. I usually would use my other vitamin C, but I'm finishing this guy up. Hasn't been too bad, so it's been working pretty well on my skin. So I'm continuing to use this to help, and I pat it in. Always, guys, pat this in. And what I'm gonna do, guys, is I forgot to show you this step. I did put on the gel on my face, the aloe vera gel that I've been showing you guys on my channel, and I'm gonna use this little fun tool here. This has a actually LED light on it. It has a bunch of different LED light, plus it's a massager. So what I do is I go in with that light and I massage my face, and I do this for about 5 minutes with the aloe vera gel. It gives my skin lots of slip, plus it helps my skin absorb this in fairly well. And I'm trying to look at the camera to make sure I'm showing you guys all the areas, but usually I would always have my eyes closed when I do this, because the LED light is on, especially when it gets closer to my eyes. I would try to make sure that it's turned off, and I focus more on my problem areas, like my mouth area, where I would have laugh lines, and sometimes my forehead. So if you have any problem area, definitely focus on those with that LED light. And I just go ahead and massage my face for a good 5 minutes with that until all the product is completely soaked into my skin. Now guys, after I do that and I see that most of my product is completely in and my skin looked like it drank all the moisture I put on there, the next thing I'm gonna do is go in with some vitamin E oil. Now if you get the vitamin E oil, just a bottle, that's great. But what I do is I go to Walmart, I get the little vitamin E oil packs they have, which is the one you would drink, and I go ahead and I use those, and I use 2 of them on my face. I just squeeze the capsule on my face. I do 1 capsule per side of my face, and after I squeeze that in, I go ahead and massage it in. And you don't have to be fancy, guys. All you do is squeeze it in, make sure that it's on your face, so you'll have all the areas on your face will be covered, and make sure that you just put it in. Now when you squeeze the vitamin E oil out, it is a little bit thicker oil, it is heavier, but it absorbs on my skin so easily. And guys, I do want you to realize that this is gonna leave your face quite greasy for a few minutes, usually in about 10 to 20 minutes. This does a good job at soaking up on my face, so I have no issue with that, and I absolutely love the result that I get. And guys, this is what I've been doing for the past few weeks to help my skin and help my face with all the issues that's been going on. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos that are coming up. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave all of your comments down below, and go over and watch my last video.